Okay, so you've done the exam paper, well done for that, and well done for listening to me for that amount of time. We're going to go through the feedback, okay, and I'll try and make this as quick and as painless as possible, but just make sure that you're thinking about key things along the way. Okay, so if I'm the examiner then, there are certain things that I'm going to need to do. I'm going to talk you through the exam mark scheme exactly as I see it and exactly as I would use it as an examiner, okay? So, question 1A, what happened to the fisherman and his surroundings? So, you would get marks for including any of these points, okay? So, you might talk about the past, previous storms, context and history, few inhabitants left, physical destruction of houses, the physical destruction of boats, loss of livelihood and the fishing industry, no longer thriving community, okay? So if you've got those, or if you've got that in sort of like your own words, then you can give yourself a mark for it. Now remember, we're looking for 15 marks here for content, so we're looking for 15 different points. But the key thing is to remember that we need to look at all 3 bullet points, okay? So we've got that. Then we've got these ones. Now the mark scheme is available on the VLE just underneath here, okay? So you can get a copy of the mark scheme and have it in front of you rather than me talk through each of these things, okay? But here are all the things that you could have said or you could have alluded to in your writing about the present, okay? Then we've got B, okay, so that's the second bullet point. So you're also looking to have a few of these within your response, okay? So you should have had probably about 4 or 5 from the past bullet point, and now from this bullet point again we're looking for about 4 or 5, maybe a few more than that. Okay, so we've got the fact that stubborn, romantic, shows ownership, excited by the violence, enjoys his isolation, well done if you've noticed the spelling mistake there. Enjoys the views, oh there's another one, and he's the last survivor, tradition, routine and challenge, okay? So when you're looking back through your paper, look for each of those different things and give yourself a tick, reward yourself with a mark if you see evidence of that in your response, okay? And then we've got section C, okay? So again, these are the bullet points for staying and for leaving. They're on the mark scheme in front of you. Have a look at those. See whether or not you can see evidence of that in your response. Now the really key thing though is this, okay? This is the big sort of mark scheme. I've only included the top bands here.